Aterra Designs brings modern lighting and home technology design to production home buyers. We do this by partnering with builders and contractors to create a more efficient process from design to installation. Aterra creates lot-specific, dimensioned electrical plans that help eliminate errors and shorten the cycle time from design selection to build-out. We can double sales in our categories by educating homebuyers on innovative design techniques and products while providing clear communication and organization for the builder and contractor. Aterra also sets builders apart from the competition by offering lighting design and electrical options not available through other builders' programs. We not only provide detailed plans online, but create organized sales orders and documents. These can be configured to meet the builder's system, making order entry simple. To get started with Aterra, it's as simple as 3D: discover, develop, deliver. During the discovery period, an Aterra account representative works with both the builder and contractor to ensure our services integrate seamlessly into the current process. The representative will handle all aspects of program integration, from gathering and documenting community specifics to performing a market analysis. Now we develop a unique experience and space for homebuyers while generating additional revenue for the home builder and contractor. Aterra even provides training for builder and contractor staff to ensure they can easily use our system, read our plans, and be up to date on the latest products and techniques. The result? A delighted homebuyer, a more organized contractor, and a more profitable builder. Aterra Designs ensures a tailored experience for everyone: the homeowner, the contractor, and of course, the home builder. Contact us today to find out more about working with Aterra.